Hey, how's it going? Been a long time since you've seen me in this scenario. It's that time of year again, new iPhone time, and normally I don't show my face in the unboxings or very much, but we're gonna do it this way this time because why not? So of course I have my phone that we unboxed last year, my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And as you can tell by the title of this video, we got the iPhone 14 Pro Max this year. So let's get this box open and let's look at the two together, shall we? If you have pre-ordered or gotten any of the new iPhones, let me know in the comments below what you got. Of course, I am always excited about the updates to the cameras. Favorite part. Here we have our lovely box. I got the 256 gigabyte. That's what I got last year. It's plenty. What I do is I just dump my extra photos and stuff from my old phone onto my computer or an external hard drive and call it good. Alright, so let's get her open. I did have to get a new case, which I just got a clear one, and I got the Zag tempered glass with the blue light feature. I like that because I look at my phone quite a bit and ain't trying to hurt my eyes. Oh, gorgeous! Look at that. I got the purple. The deep purple, I think, is what it's officially called. Oh, beautiful. Before I even take it out, let me take my 13. Now, I will miss this blue color. I wish they had kept it, but I know that they like to change it up every year. I don't want that dirty, but let's just take a peek at these two together. Signed and signed. Alright, here she comes in all her glory. Oh, gonna have to get the tempered glass out really soon, but let's look a little bit closer here. Beautiful, beautiful. And of course, I mean, I'm gonna wait and take this off once I kind of get things a little more situated, but just wanted to take a first look with you guys at this beautiful purple masterpiece iPhone 14 Pro Max. And of course, we have our charging cord in there and some of the paperwork, and that's that. And yeah, I know this was kind of short and sweet. If you want a closer look, this is the 13 thing. Just yeah, I'm very excited, of course, ready to shoot lots of reels for Instagram and TikToks and videos of all kinds and pictures on this new beauty. So I'm gonna go set it up, and I love you, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.